Join me on this episode to learn how to build and operate the STMicroelectronics Robot Evaluation Kit. The kit features a camera module, sensors, wireless connectivity, motors, and a powerful microcontroller. It's a great way to explore embedded processing, motion control, and even vision-based applications. Hello, welcome back to TechVentures with Lazina. In part 1, we assembled a robot evaluation kit from STMicroelectronics. It's complete with sensors, motors, and a camera module. And now it's time for the fun part, the demo. So let's go ahead and power it up, pair it with the app, and let's see what this robot can do. First things first, grab your phone and open the STEVAL-ROBKIT companion app. It is available for download on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Make sure your Bluetooth and location services are enabled on your mobile device. Next, turn on the switch on your robot. There will be a welcoming tune. Once the app launches, tap the Pair Your Robot button. You'll see a list of available devices. Select your robot and hit Pair to connect. Once connected, you'll get a confirmation pop-up. From here, you can choose where to go next, either the remote control screen or the home screen. From the home page, you can see the following menu options. Home displays the connection status and basic robot info. Controller, this is your manual control panel. Monitor, which visualizes real-time sensor data in interactive charts. As you can see, we've got the charts for accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer, and of course, time of flight. And debug, which gives you access to the debug console for advanced commands. Let's dive into the controller tab and take this robot for a spin. On the left-hand side, you've got the throttle joystick. Use this to move the robot forward or backward and to control the speed. On the right-hand side, we've got the direction joystick, which lets you steer the robot by changing its angle. And at the bottom over here, you'll see the mode selection buttons. This lets you switch between the two different drive modes. So we've got autopilot. The robot follows a pre-programmed movement pattern, and drive mode, where you take full control using the joysticks. Pretty cool, right? You can experiment with both, and in the autopilot mode, there's a drop-down menu to see your magnetometer, gyroscope, and accelerometer graphs in real time. Well, that was fun. Now you know how to assemble and operate the STMicroelectronics Robot Evaluation Kit. For more information, please feel free to reach out to your local Future Electronics representative or visit us online at futureelectronics.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on TechVentures with Lazina.